Welcome back to Allison Customs Tool Bag Tuesday. And today we are looking at some PPE, personal protective equipment. I don't know about you guys, but especially since I wear glasses, I find that I tend to pick up grinders and other tools and just go to work. These are not safety glasses. Plenty of stuff gets around the edges. I get stuff in my eyes way too often. So because I'm so bad about using PPE, I bought this item about 2 weeks ago from Amazon, which when I use it, I found that it's really good. There's probably a better version of this out there that I should step up to now that I've found that I will use it. This one was $39.99, and I would probably rate this at a 3-star item. And my reason for that is the straps. When you put this on, you pull these straps, which I can do with my gloves on, so that's a good thing, but they tend to loosen up as you're moving around, and so I'm constantly having to stop and readjust the straps. The ones on the top of the head, not as much as the ones that go behind your head here on the side of your neck.
Well, it fits pretty well. I don't know if you can actually hear me, but and you can reach the tabs, the straps are on each side. Everything stays pretty snug. It's just when I start moving around a lot, grinding and cutting, that I find it starts to loosen up, especially on these straps here and here. So I'm stopping and pulling those.
But the nice thing is it came boxed. It comes with a little bag. You know, if you're gonna, you would have to take these filters off to get it back in the bag every time, and I'm not going to be doing that. That's just not. I'm just too lazy for that. But it does come with quite a few extra filters. And it's got these plastic filters on the side, which they come in this bag here. It's called an organic vapor cartridge. And then you put the foam filter over the outside of that. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's blackening in here from the use I have done with it. But the thing I like is you have good visibility out of it with the clear lens. I'm sure you could find these with, you know, maybe a green lens if you were doing some plasma cutting. But then with the built-in breathing protection, I find that I use it. So you'll continue to see that one in videos, and that's what it is. I'll put links, as always, in the description there. You know, whether you use this or something else, don't trust your glasses. Don't be like me and not be using the proper protection. Well, with all of that, please like and subscribe. Check the links out below, and I'll see you again next time on Tool Bag Tuesday.